It's February week 4 here, and the community team with another update. So first up, we have Pete showing worker to worker and simple widgets over Barrage. So take it away, Pete.
Thanks, Mike. I'm actually demoing a utility or a use case for Barrage that Devin worked on. He would probably be the better person to demonstrate it, but he's asked me to do it in his place today. So what Devin essentially, even though he's not here at the moment, he has a remote server that is currently running essentially this example use case of bringing in that is out on Deephaven examples that brings in a Kafka feed of crypto prices, and then he's doing some manipulations to it and publishing those tables that he's created via this application out over Barrage. It happens to be going over the internet. So I'm going to demonstrate consuming that in two ways. First, I'm going to bring up just a standard Deephaven image. Come on, baby. Okay, that's up. So now I can go and I'll bring up the front end. And hopefully, okay. And now that I've got a notebook. So we're going to use the resolver here, which you've seen before. As you remember, the resolver is ways you can get local parquet or local CSVs or remote URL CSVs. We've set it up so that now over the web we can get this. I'm connecting to this application that I foreshadowed that Devin's running remotely. Okay, so I can get any of the name tables that he makes available from that application. The first one we're going to get is this streams table, right? So this is just a direct republication of that Kafka stream. Not getting the full history, but again, that sort of microbatch by microbatch stream. He's making other tables available, like for example, he's using that stream table on his side and aggregating it to get last prices by exchange, by instrument. So looks like the market's not crazy active right now, but there's some stuff there. And to be clear, when I was talking to somebody about this earlier, they wanted to prove that you could, these tables that you inherit, you can do things with. So, I'm going to take this table that I got here, and now it's running in my local server. I add some new logic and I create another table. I've essentially extended the logical tree or the DAG there. Right. Devin's favorite that he wanted to be sure shown was this table he created for a summary view of what's going on in crypto right now. And I decided to upsell him by enhancing it with joins of latest prices and some aggregation or some joins on quotes. And now you can see this is more or less the state of these crypto prices across a number of exchanges. So again, the core point here is inheriting tables over the internet into a Deephaven worker. For the second part of the demo, though, we want to shut down this Deephaven worker so I can prove to you that I'm going to receive this data now without relying on that at all. I'm going to go simply to a link that Devin gave me to. This is a web page that he stood up, right? And let's go again to his favorite table. And now in that web page, I see an iframe of that widget, right? So this is a Deephaven widget hosted in an iframe. I'm not using any local resources for this whatsoever. And again, there's all the interactivity that you'd expect from this widget, right? Where, okay, I want to, I can filter things. You can also see the raw widget not hosted in an iframe. And if I want to, I can copy paste this. I could, for example, go to CodePen and I could, create my own widget again. We should see, boom, that, I've created this widget. I don't know, I guess it's right, so it's a proper widget that then I can manipulate via an iframe or, inherit it as one as Devin has made it so. That's it.
All right, awesome. Well, that's very cool. And that's all we've got for this week, so we'll see you next week. Bye.
Right. Thank you very much, everybody.